Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you upload photos from iPhone to computer. So guys, to upload photos from iPhone to computer there are two ways. The first and the easiest way is the wired connection. You can just use a wired connection between your iPhone and computer and you can just upload the photos. The second way is that you can just use the wireless connection. So for that there are some websites. In this video I'm going to use snapdrop.net. So both of your devices you need to go to any browser and search for snapdrop.net. For the iPhone I'm going to use Safari, and after that here you can see the devices are here. You can just select the device by clicking here and just click on the photo library and select the photo. And after selecting the photo from your computer you can just see the photo and you can just download it. So guys, that's how you can upload photos from iPhone to computer. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.